DJ Morris's Holla at Your Boy.
Woo! Woo! Shouts to all my family showing love. Biggie, I see you out there, baby. Petty and DJ Pure. Y'all the monsters. TC, baby. We did it again.
You actually have the audacity harassing me, trying to ruin a masterpiece when actually you cats lack the capacity to capture me. I'm God's anointed, plus God's appointed, not the God appointed. You disregard the warning and you won't survive the morning. I never listen to these hypocritics. There's a kid out there crying, dying, holding a razor to his wrist to slit it. If I should spit it, maybe this will give him hope. We all at bridges, it's not just them kids from different strokes. So what, I'm a bad guy cause I had my little cat fights. In the past I was a criminal running and ducking the law, the chilling with my dogs like thug life. But I'm definitely different now, put me vest and me pistol down. Found the recipe, this will sound crazy, but it's Jay-Z. Wait, did he say Jay-Z? No, Jay-Z. It's atheist to think that I can call anyone else whole. Instead of concealing, I'd rather reveal it and give you whatever, whenever you need it. No longer the crook type, I'm a changed man and this is what it look like. Christ is the